Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. I was in the mood for chicken wings, but not just everyday chicken wings, so I decided to make up Coca-Cola Chicken Wings. Yes, Coca-Cola Chicken Wings, and they came out absolutely incredible, so I thought I'd share it with you, so let me show you how to do this.
Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do is add a couple of pounds of chicken wings to a bowl, followed by, believe it or not, a tablespoon of baking powder. Then grab up some water and we're going to pour just enough in to cover the chicken, and there is a secret to this process. Of course, grab up a spoon and just kind of swirl and twirl and mix everything around.
And what this whole process does actually, guys, it draws the moisture out of the chicken, and when you're not deep frying it, it makes it super, well, crispy anyway.
Okay, after we let the wings soak for about 10 minutes, I've drained them and I'm just going to grab up a paper towel and pat them dry. Chickens like patting, you know. Season them up with a bit of salt, I'd say about a teaspoon or so. A couple of teaspoons of ground black pepper. And you know Dave's pepper rule, I always go heavy, but you can cut back if you like. Give them a little mix so that salt and pepper covers that chicken. And now into a pan over medium-high heat with a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. Then a good knob of butter, I'd say about a tablespoon or so. And of course that olive oil is going to stop the butter from burning. Now ever so methodically, or not so methodically, place those wings into the pan. I wouldn't worry too much about overcrowding the pan as long as you got a bit of space in between them.
And we're going to fry these up, guys, of course, until they're a nice golden brown, and this will take, I'd say about 8-9 minutes, something like that. Oh, these are looking good.
Okay, now our wings have some nice color to them. Let's make our sauce by combining 2 tablespoons of ketchup. You can also use tomato paste or tomato sauce too. 2 more tablespoons of good old soy sauce. A couple more tablespoons of honey. I don't know about you guys, but I just love honey. I don't know what it is. Then for some tardiness, about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. A little bit more pepper to taste. And give it a good swirl and twirl and mix until everything is well combined. Of course, we're going to pour our yummy, delightful sauce over top of that chicken. Grab up a couple of spoons and give everything a good toss until that chicken is completely coated with that sauce. And this is beginning to look good and smell good, guys. Now here's the star and the real secret, guys. I am going to pour half a cup or half a small can of good old plain Coca-Cola over top of that chicken and sauce. Bring it to a good simmer, lower the heat, slip a lid on, and we're going to let this simmer away for about 15 minutes. Of course, halfway through cooking, I'm just going to remove the lid and flip those wings around just so they cook evenly. But just check out the wonderful caramelized color these wings are starting to get. Don't they look good? And we can thank this to the good old cola.
And you know what too, guys? Some people like the Coke Zero, the Diet Coke, all that. I like the original Coke in a bottle or a can, and the smaller the bottle or the can, the better. So let me know what you think in the comments section. Maybe I'm a bit weird that way. I don't know.
After about 15 minutes or so, we are done, and just look at the color on these guys. Oh, they are looking so good. So it is time to slip these onto a plate. And I mean, come on, you cannot get much yummier, stickier looking wings. Oh my goodness. Of course, as I always do, you gotta make these all look pretty by garnishing them up with some greens. And in this case, I'm using cilantro, but you can use parsley. And there you have it, guys, our sticky, absolutely yummy, delicious Coca-Cola chicken wings. Who ever would have thunk that adding Coke to the sauce and the whole mixture could make such a difference in your wings? My, oh my.
Okay, guys, let's grab one up here and have a look-see. Oh man, these look good. And I think they are gonna be good. Got a really nice texture to them. Wow. Nice and sticky. Okay, let's taste them. These are really good. And Coke has that sweetness, that stickiness. Just love the sauce. These are probably, one of the best wings I've ever had. You simply have to make these. They're juicy. Like I say, they're sweet. The texture is just great. You're going to love them. Simply a must make. And if you do make them, leave us a comment and give us a like. It does help the channel out, and most of all, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you make these, and we'll see you next time. And of course, I'm going to eat more. These are so good.